Welcome back to Stock to Off-Road Machines, another epic video by us. As always, remember to storm out, have an epic adventure of your own. Four-wheel drives are not made to sit there and be a polished showpiece in the car park taking the kids to school day in, day out. So get off the beaten track, get those battle wounds, get those scratches, put the dents in the car, and remember the epic stories to tell the mates at the bar and tell them what you've got up to that weekend.
Hey, well, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a product from Simpson Off-Road Engineering. So we're putting a turbo on the Land Cruiser. So we bought one of their oil feed and water feed kits. It comes with everything you need. Instructions, very detailed, I've already gone through them. Tells you absolutely everything you need to know. In the box we've got some quality braided hoses, all with AN fittings. Racework brand, I believe. So that there's going to be our water feeds. Nice 14mm, I believe. Oil drain. Got your flanges for on the turbo. There's the oil drain and feed, both in one. T-pieces for your water lines. This one comes with a weld-on bung for your sump. I think it's a lot better than just stabbing a hole and gluing crap in there. At least we know that's not going to leak if I weld it correctly. And we've got another water hose. This one here is going to be our oil feed. Comes with your T-piece. And of course, you get a sticker with the kit. So you can check these guys out on Facebook, Instagram. Give them a look. Their products look to be real good quality.
Thank you for sticking it out to the end of another Stock to Off-Road Machine video. Hit up the comment section down below, tell us what you thought of it. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell, that subscribe button, and give us a thumbs up if you like that video.